beers with the beers.
I'll bring the beers. I'll bring the beers.
I'll say like it's.
Just gotta get some content for the vlog. I am gonna vlog this weekend, just FYI. And you do not let out your sister's a vlogger.
I was gonna say something that would have been.
Well, I know how to edit, so it's fine. Just make more work for me.
What? Hot wheel.
Say what's up. Yep. That's a mean green machine.
The water's rough today.
Yep.
Going back and we're gonna catch some gnarly waves.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Last time?
Yeah, he probably missed their ticket. I swear to God, if we don't get in the front, I'm gonna be pissed.
Big step, okay?
Thank you. Here we go. We're the brave ones. Yeah. Oh, this is hot as hell. Ooh. Oh, that actually really burns to sit on. Yeah. Oh shit. You excited?
Oh yeah.
It's hot. Yeah.
Kinda should I unleash the beast?
Yeah.
The leash is right here. Should I unleash it?
The views are gonna be immaculate on here.
Immaculate?
Yeah.
I'll be your captain tonight. The gentleman that helped you on board, we call him Tank. He'll be on deck with you guys if you have any questions or need help with photography. Just gotta go over a few safety things real quick. That's not her original torch. The original torch is on display inside. And she's green because she's made out of Norwegian copper. They tried to shine her up for her 100th anniversary, but turns out she's only about 2 pennies thick. So she will forever be green due to the oxidization with the saltwater air. And that's about all I know about the statue.
Survived the beast. Birthday Whirl. Classic Queen. You like tomato soup, right? This is a bakery, yes. Oh. You would think it was a place to like have booze. No, they have coffee too.
Oh,
it's a cafe.
I mean that line though. Whoa.
That's good, right? Oh my god, Travis, was that for Halloween?
TikTok that, Facebook that, MySpace that shit right now.
The people of the sun.
Any final words before we go out to the official Ratman after party?
We out here.
It's Sunday night, 12:11. It's past Grandma's bedtime. We're finna go out.
Definitely past Grandma's bedtime. It's time to go out.
All right, where are we going? What's it called? Feelies?
Feelies.
Feelies, Irish
We're about to
pub.
get the Ghost of Tom Joad. We're about to slam down some.
So throw
Slams.
some down our neck.
We're about to throw some down
We're
our
gonna
neck.
throw a Tom Jodes down our
You
neck.
know what I mean?
Is this better?
That was good, actually.
Fit check.
You probably shouldn't have washed that though for a while.
Yeah, I didn't I'm putting this straight on. Didn't even wash this yet. Fit check. Got the new Ratman shirt on. All right, heading out to, what is it, Freely's? Check in with y'all soon. Trying not to be a grandma tonight, going out, you know. It's past Grandma's bedtime. Still going out though. Sunday night. The night is young. This way, my guy.
I can't live in New York.
All right, let's go. Come on. Gotta walk fast. You gotta walk.
What is that?
Oh, here's the rich. You're not like the other girls. You're different.
I'm different.
You're not like the other
See,
girls.
like, I'm crazy and quirky, so, like, New York City can't handle my shit.
Let them go
It is.
first. Let them go
It is.
first.
Okay. All right.
Welcome, guys. Welcome.
All right. Happy hour. Why'd you? Okay, on. Do you want to be?
Shitty? No, I don't.
No, it's fun. I heard it's fun. Do you like karaoke? Okay, then you'll have fun. Okay.
We're right behind you. We're right behind you. New Amsterdam, California.
I'm from New Amsterdam.
Me too. We live together, bro. Yeah, me too. Hell yeah. No, I'm from Columbus, Ohio.
Colombia, and then where
I'm
we're
from Ohio.
So, okay, nice.
We're gonna get killed.
We've been to Washington, it's in Colombia.
Me neither.
This is
No,
interesting.
I'm actually from like Philly.
Philadelphia.
Like PA.
That was our previous
I moved
stop.
to Columbus.
We went from Miami to New York.
Oh, Miami's insane.
So we stopped in Philadelphia.
Oh, Philly's fun. This shit's open?
Thanks.
And we're not
Till
gonna...
4 a.m.
What the fuck?
trying to find a spot.
Wait, you got straight?
Yeah.
Let's see. Only me and McKenna know what's going on right now. It's actually hilarious as F.
You want to explain it to the vlog?
No, not right now.
The whole
This is for a whole other time. But this is like a staple right now for me to laugh about this specific moment. We'll talk about peaches.
Alright.
Walters, you know where.
Promo. Walters.
You know the vibe.
Walters, sponsor us.
We out here with Stacy, you know.
Walters.
We're vibing.